Hello and welcome to another SparkToast tutorial. Today we're going to cover how to access your server files using a program called WinSCP. Head on to your server settings tab where you will find your SFTP details, such as your server address and username. The quickest way to connect is by clicking on the Launch SFTP button. This will launch whatever program you have on your computer for connecting via SFTP, such as WinSCP in this case. When prompted, enter your panel password. Note that this may not be the same as your billing area password. If all goes well, you shouldn't have any authentication errors, and you will be able to see your server files on the right-hand side and your local files on your left-hand side. In case the Launch SFTP button doesn't work for you, you can also launch WinSCP from your computer manually. After it boots up, you will be prompted for your server's host name, which is the address, the username, and the password. Again, these may be found in your server settings tab. So let's copy and paste them over and enter our panel password once more. At this point, we'd like to mention that accessing your server files with SFTP works whether your server is online or offline. If you happen to be running into issues with authentication and your password isn't working, please go to the following link and try resetting your password. That will be all. Thanks again for choosing SparkToast.